Hood rich. What's good, Hood Rich fam? Hood Rich Credit tapping in. Look, y'all, let's get straight into it. Today, I'm going to be dropping some sauce on how to get approved for 20K plus credit card limits on the personal side and business side whenever you're trying to personal guarantee every time. So the way to this is the hack is you need comparable credit. How do you get comparable credit? The fast way, you need some backdated credit card primaries on your credit report if you don't already have some high limit credit cards on your report. Okay, so let's say you hit up Chase, right? You're trying to get approved for a high limit credit card with Chase. Let's say they check your credit report. If you had a past high limit with something like Bank of America, right? You have something like a 20K limit, 25K limit with Bank of America. What you think Chase gonna approve you for? Banks trust other banks, okay? If Chase sees you got a high limit with Bank of America, they're like, okay, Bank of America had no issues with extending him 25K. We could approve him for around the same credit limit funding or higher. We might take a little risk on him and give him 5K extra. That way he could do more business with us instead of Bank of America. So you need comparable credit when you head to these institutions. That's where backdated credit card primaries make sense. A lot of y'all have low limit approvals, okay? Y'all might have some like 4K, 5K, because you might head to an institution like Capital One when they're stingy when it comes to credit card limits. So we all know that you need that comparable credit to get approved for high limit credit cards. And if you don't already have that comparable credit on your report from high limits reporting, this is where my backdated credit card primaries make sense. Okay, I got a 20K and then a 65K primary if you need them higher limit approvals. But like I said, it has to make sense on your profile because it's backdated 2 to 5 years. And I got some youngins that watch my videos that are 18 and 19. So you need to at least meet the qualifications of being 20 years or older for it to make sense. Because if you backdated the lowest, right, 2 years, but you're 19 years old, you just started building credit a year ago, and you got a 2-year account on your report that's a primary, it's not gonna make sense on your profile, okay? So it has to make sense. And yeah, these are the details listed. For the people that are interested, hit my Instagram DMs and I'll take care of you. If it doesn't post, 30-day money back guaranteed, or if you wanna continue, trying to reissue the line, then that's the case, you choose, okay? And finally, this will help with hiding credit card utilization because I know a lot of you guys try to add AU trade lines to lower your credit card utilization. That way you can get approved for, some credit cards, but that doesn't work, man. Like, institutions use new scoring models where they identify that account is an authorized user and it's not your primary account. They see that as this is somebody else's account. He still owes a lot of debt with other credit cards. We're going to deny him for credit card applications. But when you got a primary reported and it factors into your score on your utilization, your overall credit limit, that's where you good to go. You green, okay? That's where this primary works. You can hide your credit card utilization. Your overall utilization goes down. You can get approved for higher credit card limits. If you want to pay off some debt, but you don't have some 0% interest credit cards at the moment, okay, you use that primary, hide your credit card utilization, apply for some business credit cards, transfer that debt over to the business credit cards and then pay them off monthly, the 0% interest rate. And it's something that I forgot to explain because a lot of you guys are going to want to hide your credit card utilization. With the normal service, it's not going to work. You're going to have to pay an additional $100 a month for up to 3 months in the flyer if you want to hide your credit card utilization, because the normal service, the account is going to report as closed but paid in good standing. So it's still going to help you get approved for high limits because you had a past high credit card limit. But remember, a closed account, the credit card limit is not going to factor into your credit card utilization because it's closed. You get what I'm saying? But I can have it open for up to 3 months. So that's $300 extra if you want to hide your credit card utilization up to 3 months. Okay, y'all, just wanted to include that. That way I don't get you guys confused. And then after them 3 months, the account will just report as closed like the normal service. Okay, so that's about it for today. Y'all have a good day. The Hood Rich Way, gone.